Hi, so I have a scraper for Zoominfo, updated scraper. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So here are the instruction file. Okay, so first you need to go to this link and install Python, then install DB browser, SQLite DB browser, and then type cmd in Windows search bar. Let me do it practically. So here is the folder. Okay, so let me activate the environment. Cmd and activate. Environment is activated. Let me go back to the main directory. Okay, that is Zoominfo. So over here you need to install the requirements. Here are the requirement file. Okay, but I already installed it. Okay, so no need for now. So now I need to run the code. So next step is cmd type zoominfo.py. Python zoominfo.py. Okay, so it will open the browser. As you can see, browser has been opened. So next step is, when browser is opened, then login in, then set filter as you want and press Y in cmd and enter. Okay, so now as you can see, uh, Zoominfo page is being loaded. Okay, it will take a moment and I will continue my video. Over here, when the login page is loaded, you need to just do it at once in the start. Okay, so over here you need to enter your Zoominfo username and password. Okay, let me do it. At the start you need to verify your email. Okay, you will get a code on your email and you need to verify it. As you can see, it is going to the app page. It will take some time, okay, to load. So this is the app home page. Now over here you can see a message, login has been done, set filter, and then press Y and hit enter. So now I need to go to the search. Okay, advanced search, it will take a moment to load. Here is the search. Okay, so now I need to set some filters as we want. Okay, let me set the industry is let's say finance. Okay, let me set the location to Pakistan. Okay, and let's say employee count to 500. One thing you must have to remember is, because on the pagination Zoominfo does not allow us to go over 100 pages. Okay, so we need to set filters according to that. So uh, so this total count must be within the 100 pages range. Okay, so let me set a role, let's say C suit. Okay, now you will see some. Okay, now we have only 177. Let's set another engineering and technical. So 2284. Okay, so now the next step is I need to just press Y and hit enter. Okay, now let me show you some information regarding the output. We have a database over here in our folder. Okay, so data will be stored over here. So let me open this database. Okay, and right now, as you can see, 271 records. Okay, and you will see, because I have some old data over here, and now you will see it will be, now it's 277 because the new data is being added to our database. Okay, now let me show you 280. Now let me show you how you can import this data to not import, export this data uh, to Excel. You need to just click on file, click on export, and table as CSV file. Zoominfo data, column name in first line. Okay, and then click save. Okay, and choose the location you want. I will prefer to choose over here. Okay, in Zoominfo folder, export completed. Okay, now you will see the data over here. Okay, as you can see, now it will have it has 302. We started from 270 and now 32 new records has been added. Okay, this is unlimited tool. You don't need to export and rely on the Zoominfo. Use this tool and export data as much as you want. Let me show you what are the data fields: first name, last name, email, personal email, free emails, phone. Okay, company name, company address, revenue, revenue range, employees, employees count. Okay, and much more data: company domain, website, description, phone, company phone. Okay, and you can see other data: company type, certified, mask, subscribe, title, and so on. Okay, as you can see, job title also. and image, location, last mention, update, lots of data. Okay, here is the full name. Social URLs also over here, like it has LinkedIn, so LinkedIn over here. If other social media URLs are on Zoominfo, it will be also over here. Okay, let me filter, let's say Facebook, and you can see Facebook. Okay, let me filter it with Twitter, and you can see Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Okay, so that's it. If you need this tool, please contact me. I have attached my WhatsApp, email, and you can connect me over there. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.